In the dead of night, the desert holds its secrets close. But it has one that glows, hidden in the shadows. An ancient predator waits. It's the stuff of nightmares, but when you hit it with a black light, it becomes something else entirely. It shines. An electric blue-green glow that seems to come from its very soul. All known scorpion species have a secret. They glow under ultraviolet light. But why? Why does one of nature's most feared creatures light up like a neon sign? The answer is a scientific mystery that takes us from the chemicals in their armor to million-year-old fossils that still shine today, and deep into a debate that has scientists stumped. This is one of nature's weirdest phenomena, and we're going to figure it out. To understand the why, we first have to get the what. What is this bizarre glow, and how is it even possible? The phenomenon is called fluorescence. It's the same basic idea that makes a highlighter marker seem so bright. Think of it like this. An object absorbs energy, in this case, the invisible energy from ultraviolet or UV light. It takes in that high-energy light and then, almost instantly, spits it back out as lower-energy, visible light. For scorpions, that visible light is a brilliant blue-green. But where is this glow actually coming from? It's not their skin or their blood. The source of the glow is baked directly into their armor. A scorpion's exoskeleton is a marvel of natural engineering, but the real magic is in a paper-thin, incredibly tough outer layer called the hyaline layer. Embedded within this layer are special chemical compounds, most notably Beta-Carboline alkaloids. When UV light from the sun, the moon, or a black light hits these chemicals, they absorb the invisible photons and re-emit them as that signature, otherworldly glow. The effect is so powerful that if you preserve a scorpion in a jar of alcohol, the alcohol itself will start to glow under a black light. And here's where it gets truly wild. This isn't some new evolutionary trick. Paleontologists have found scorpion fossils that are hundreds of millions of years old. And when they shine a UV light on them, they still glow. The chemicals in that ancient layer are so stable they can perform their light-bending trick eons after the creature has died. This durability is a huge clue, but it also makes the mystery even deeper. The glow isn't something a scorpion is born with, at least not right away. A scorpion grows by molting, shedding its old, tight exoskeleton for a new one. For a little while right after it molts, the scorpion is soft, vulnerable, and surprisingly, it doesn't glow. The new cuticle is pale and hasn't hardened yet. Only once the chemical hardening process is complete does the fluorescence appear. This suggests the glowing compounds are either a byproduct of the hardening itself or are secreted shortly after. It's like the glow is the finishing touch on a brand new suit of armor. Interestingly, studies show this process doesn't happen all at once. After molting, the claws and tail might start glowing again in just 6 hours under certain UV light, while the main body could take up to 72 hours to fully light back up. But once it's there for good. Young scorpions show off the same brilliant glow as adults, peaking at a light wavelength of around 475 nanometers. So, we know what it is, where it's from, and how it develops. But this all brings us back to the biggest question: why? Why would a nocturnal predator that relies on stealth evolve a feature that makes it light up like a target? Scientists don't have one clear answer. Instead, they have a few fascinating competing ideas. This is where things get really interesting. There are 4 leading theories, and each one paints a completely different picture of the scorpion's world. Theory 1, the whole body eye. The first, and maybe the most compelling theory, is that the glow isn't for others to see, it's for the scorpion itself. The idea is that the scorpion's entire exoskeleton acts as a single, giant light detector. Scorpions are creatures of the night. They hate light, especially UV light, which can damage them and make them easy targets for predators like owls or rodents. They instinctively run from light to find shelter. This theory suggests their glow is part of a clever defense mechanism. When UV light hits their body, it's converted into that blue-green color, the very color their super-sensitive eyes are best at seeing. Basically, their body tells their brain how exposed they are. If it's too bright, like on a full moon night, the scorpion can feel its own glow and knows it's too dangerous to be out in the open. Experiments have shown that scorpions are less active on brightly moonlit nights. In one study, when scientists blocked the fluorescence in some scorpions and exposed them to UV light, the scorpions that could still glow were far more likely to stay in the shadows, while the non-glowing ones acted like they were in the dark. It's like a built-in alarm system, telling them when to hide. Theory 2. A secret language. But if they already have sensitive eyes, why need a glowing body? That brings us to another idea. The glow is for communication. In the vast darkness of the desert, that blue-green beacon could be an unmistakable signal to other scorpions, helping them find mates or warn off rivals. It's an awesome idea, a secret, silent language written in light. There's a big problem with this theory, though. If other scorpions can see the glow, so can predators. A glowing scorpion is a very obvious target. Making yourself an easy meal for an owl just doesn't seem like a great survival strategy, which has made many scientists skeptical. Theory 3. Dazzle and confuse. So if it's not for hiding and not for finding friends, what if it's for hunting? Theory 3 suggests the glow could be used to confuse prey. Imagine you're a small insect navigating by moonlight. Suddenly, you see this weird, eerie blue light. It might startle or disorient you just long enough for the scorpion to strike. But again, the evidence is shaky. In fact, some experiments suggest the opposite is true. Many insects, the scorpion's main food source, seem to actively avoid fluorescent surfaces. One experiment even found that glowing scorpions attracted fewer flies than their non-glowing buddies, suggesting the glow might actually be a hunting disadvantage. Theory 4. A beautiful accident. This leads to the most anticlimactic yet plausible theory. The glow means nothing at all. It might just be an evolutionary accident, a byproduct of other, more important biological processes. The chemicals that cause the glow are also involved in making the scorpion's cuticle hard and tough. So, the fluorescence could just be a weird side effect of the chemicals that build their armor. This would explain why the glow only shows up after the cuticle hardens and why it's so stable it lasts in fossils for millions of years. The chemicals are there to build armor, and the fact that they glow is just a coincidence. But there's a catch. Evolution is usually pretty efficient. Traits that serve no purpose, especially one this obvious, often disappear over time. The fact that all scorpion species glow suggests it must be doing something important. While scientists keep debating the why, the what has led to some surprisingly practical uses for us. That eerie glow makes scorpions incredibly easy to find in the dark. Researchers and ecologists just walk through the desert at night with a UV flashlight, and the landscape lights up with scorpions popping out against the dark ground like little blue-green Christmas lights. This simple trick lets them study scorpion populations and behavior without disturbing the environment. It's also a fantastic safety tool. If you live or camp in scorpion country, a cheap UV flashlight is your best friend. A quick scan of your tent, your boots, or your backyard can instantly reveal any unwanted glowing visitors hiding in the shadows. This simple tool has helped us learn so much. We can see mothers with their entire family of tiny baby scorpions glowing on their backs. We can use it to easily spot fossils that might otherwise be missed. The scorpion's strange secret has become an open book for anyone with a black light. So, why do scorpions shine bright under a black light? The real answer is still one of nature's glowing enigmas. Evidence seems to lean most heavily toward the UV detection theory that the scorpion's body is a giant eye, helping it navigate a dangerous, moonlit world. But the debate is far from over. It could still be an evolutionary accident, a beautiful, meaningless fluke frozen in time. What we do know is that this stunning phenomenon opens a window into the complex life of one of Earth's most ancient survivors. It's a reminder that even in the darkest places, nature finds a way to make its own light. So what do you think? Is it a high-tech survival tool, a secret language, or just a cosmic coincidence? Let me know your theory down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this trip to the weird side of nature, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next investigation. Thanks for watching.